In the previous video, we went over the first step in our pipeline, where Great Expectations was validating input files and protecting the pipeline against bad data. We said that we would go over the steps required to get there later. Now is the time. Let's roll the pipeline back to the state it was in before Great Expectations was integrated, and then we will be able to follow step by step to get it to Great Expectations integration. First, let's go into our DAG, into our Airflow DAG file, and comment out this DAG, and we will leave this DAG. Without any Great Expectations tasks, it only has 3 steps: loading the files into the database, running dbt to perform the transformation, and publishing the analytical result. Also, let's comment out all the Great Expectations related tasks. This one, that's the second, and the third. All right. The second step required to roll the pipeline back is to remove the directory that Great Expectations added. And from now on, we have a clean pipeline on which we can perform the tutorial steps for integrating Great Expectations.